Okay, this video is going to be named New Stuff Part 9. And, in this video today, I'm planning to show you 3 things, but one of them is up for it so far. One is I'm going to show you the new watch I have. 2, I'm going to show you the, what the tids look like. And you might see the camera down like this. Down here on the carpet, if you guys could see that. Just for a minute because, just for a minute because I'm wanting to show you if the list from something looks right. Because in the video I made named New Video about Tic Tacs, Magic the Gathering, and Club Penguin, I was only missing 1 tin, but I have it now. So I'm basically going to show you what it's supposed to look like on the floor here in real life if you have all the tins, like I do. And number 3, I'm going to show you so far the King of the Hill seasons I have on DVD. And in the next video, I'm going to tell you each of the episodes, and this might be broken up into parts as well, like it was for the new Magic cards. But for number 3, which might be in the next video, I'm going to tell you each of the King of the Hill episodes on the DVDs I have so far. And the seasons. Because so far I only have seasons 1 and 2. But there are 6 seasons. And the other 4 are being shipped to me right now. And, if you guys are wanting to know the reason why about that, since I didn't have the money for it, I'll tell you it at the end of this video. You know, the reason why. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys my new watch here. So my new watch looks like this. And as you can see, it's from Freestyle. And as you can see the seconds going up. But as you can see, it's still military time. And as you can see, the date's at the top. And I don't know what this thing is. And then the real date is at the bottom. And by the way, do you see these squares that are going? I'll hold it up to the light so you can see it. Do you guys see those squares that are going? I'll let you see them till 30 on the watch here. Okay, so on every single odd minute up until the even minute, the squares will be appearing, and then at the exact minute you'll see a full circle of squares. But on every even minute to the odd minute, like for example, it's 23:55 right now, so that would mean the squares would fill up around the empty space until 56, which is right now. And as you can see, since it's 56 going to 57 in a little bit, the squares are disappearing now. Do you see them disappearing? Okay, so basically, if I have to simplify it down, on every single even minute, or every single odd minute to the even minute, you will see the squares fill up, and on every even minute to the odd minute, you will see the squares disappearing, like just a blank circle again, and it does that same pattern throughout the day. So, here's a good math question for you guys. Since it's doing the squares appearing and for the odd minutes and disappearing for the even minutes, how many times would they each be shown? You know what I'm saying? How many times would they each be shown if you looked at it for the full day? See, because there's 24 hours in a day, which will actually be turning 7, 10, 10 in just a minute, or a few minutes. Then you'll realize that about that stuff. Yeah, so when it hits 7, 10, 10 on the watch, then you'll realize that the squares will be full. You know, because I'm saying it by the date, not the time exactly. Because every single time it hits midnight, according to national time, it begins a new day. Okay, so since it's 2 minutes till midnight, I'll show you these options. See, because there's comp, but I think this means computer, and as you could see the time at the bottom, but you don't see this. You could see the squares, but you don't see them appearing and disappearing. You only see that on the time part. Okay, so the next one is, see, this one's comp, and this next one is Alti, and it's 103. And this next one is Borrow, which is this. You see 9994, and you can see the time below. And this one is Toronto, which you could time to see how long you do stuff. And this one is Timer, and as you can see, it's set for 6 hours. And this one is the alarm, just to tell you when it beeps for something. And this one is the temperature, which is saying 267 degrees Celsius, which I could think you guys might know which that is by Fahrenheit. And that just leads you back to time. And I'm going to stop the part here.